Pallet wood furniture frame. Pallet wood into a custom furniture frame to showcase your favorite photographs and the artwork. You can create a different type of and sizes of shapes and frames, paint and stain to patch your decor and hang them on the wall for personalized galleries. Good morning and welcome back. Thanks for being here. Here is our today's new video. In this video, we are going to show you how to upcycle your scrap wood in a good manner and how to reduce your carbon footprints. So let's get started. Add a character to your bedroom, making a headboard out of a pallet wood with a little standing stand, and create one of a kind headboard that become a focal point in your room. Pallet wood project offer a rustic and a cozy feel to sleep. This unique pallet wood project add a beauty and demand because they offer a combination of sustainability and the rustic static appeal. They allow individuals to add a touch of uniqueness to their project and repurposing and reusing materials which align with the growing environment and come in a different style, and it also helps you to reduce your carbon footprints. In this video we are going to show you some amazing sitting area and sitting pieces, and you can also make a side table with these and also create a beautiful benches, and it will help you to create outdoor benches. And you can also decor your wall with the hanging wall shelves, and you can also create a beautiful shoe rack and a beautiful decor piece with this unique rustic wood. Ideas are endless, and wall art by cutting pallet into a various shapes and the sizes. You can also create a beautiful furniture like that, and it will also help you to maintain a good effect of a rustic appeal. And you can also create a beautiful project with the pallet wood to lean them in their natural and state and the rustic look. Pallet wood wall art adds a unique pallet wood project add a unique and rustic touch to any space. Pallet can be transformed into a stylish and functional decor pieces such as coffee table, beautiful lamp, and a side table, and a bookshelf, and even a beautiful lamp placement table. With a little creativity and the basic woodworking skill, you can design and build custom furniture pieces that are both trendy and sustainable. Video we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and the exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sort of furniture from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo, and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chairs, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom. for a rustic and functional touch. Create your own network by using pallet wood as the canvas, paint or stencil a design onto a wood for a one of a kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and stylish pieces. Remember to properly prepare and treat the pallet wood before using it for any objects, as it may have been treated with chemicals that can be harmful for your health. Here are some additional ideas for you reusing pallet wood. Create a functional and the stylish coat rack. You can also make a beautiful picture frame with it. Use a pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic picture frame. Cut the wood to size and add a backing glass and the hanging hardware. Use pallet wood to create a base of a table lamp. Stain and paint or the wood and add a lamp kit for a unique and the lighting option. Create customer mirror frame using pallet wood. Cut the wood to size and attach to the mirror with glue or the hardware. Use pallet wood to create a room divider for an open concept living room. Cut the wood size and attach